Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Wagwan Tours, hope you're all doing well. Today we're going to be doing a price video, Marmaris Promenade, so we can show you how far your money is going to get you. So let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. So we're just outside. What's the name of this one? Hi, what's the name of this place? It's on the Azure top, but I cannot pronounce it. Typical Sabrina. This one looks a little bit more swanky. So they've got wine of the week, and that's been discounted. Hello. So you got this gorgeous view as well. Show everyone. Look at that. Sun's just breaking out, it's been a little bit more of a cloud, yeah. Hi, I was just doing YouTube. I just wanted to know what's your prices for a pint of beer and burger.
Burger and beer menu here.
Yeah.
Menu
Thank you. So they've got chicken dishes. My camera doesn't pick up as well. Pizza, pasta. So at the moment, about 850 lira, 1,350 for like kebab. Thank you. How much lira is it for a burger?
You must come with me inside in the computer, right?
Ah, no, that's okay. It was just for... Okay.
Snack menu, just evening menu, but
yeah.
No burger inside. But I can check in the computer.
Oh no, don't worry. It was just to get an average price. Thank you. There you go, guys. I mean, we kind of looked at the menu there. It does look a little bit more upmarket. I don't do burgers, at least now you know. So let's keep going. Find out these prices for you. I have noticed, obviously we came in September last year, that the prices have gone up a little bit more, but you obviously expect that. Each year goes on, inflation, etc. But for you guys, it's just important so you can see, is it drastically gone up, or is it just a few pennies? It's not going to really make much of a difference. So you've got Batman. Joker party tonight. Got a nice little roof terrace at the top. Yeah. Just doing a price video. What's your cheapest pint, guys? Cheapest pint?
Welcome to cheapest place in the Marmaris.
And what's the price of a pint of Tuborg? Let's have a look. Thank you. So you can get breakfast. Does this one do burger? Let's have a look. Pizza, seafood, cocktails, beers. There we go. So for an FS, which is the local, 250 lira. And then let's just do like a pizza. So for a margarita, 690. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. That's Batman. Got this one here, which is really nice. Got sort of like a front pool with that gorgeous view. Got all the boats out there today. Very nice. So this is Passa Garden Beach Hotel. Nice little place. So you've got the Atlantis water park. I'm not going to go in there. I have done a video on it previously. So if you do want to check that out, go to the playlist on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. And then check that out. And we've got a video where I had a little sort of sneak peek in. This one's quite good because you can sort of go in and out. So once you bought your ticket, I think you've got to get like a wristband. And then you've also got these beach chairs here. And then that gives you access to the beach and to the park, which is quite nice. So yeah, that's the Atlantis water park. Do comment below if you've been there. Is it worth the day out? So there we go, burger, first one I've seen. So homemade hamburger with chips, 510. And then you've got a chicken kebab burger for 490. But let's do the most important, which is the alcohol. So beers, so large 275, 250, Carlsberg 285. So they're the sort of prices. Again, I won't sort of do the conversion. At the moment it's 60 to every lira. but that will change, obviously depending on when you're coming out. So do look out for your exchange rate before you come here. So we've got the Blackpool restaurant and bar. Let's do the same.
Very nice.
So they got the food prices here.
Yes, everything prices same as last year, good deal.
Ah, perfect. That's what we like to hear. Classic cheeseburger, 510. Ooh, hot chili burger, crispy chicken.
These are also good price.
Yeah, very good prices. And how much is your...
Omelette coming with chips.
Yeah, it all comes with chips and salad. And what's the price of your FS?
Peppers, only 200 lira.
Ah, that's a good price, 200 lira.
Last year, charge price.
Perfect. Blackpool restaurant, there you go, 200 lira for an
Nice
FS.
beach, nice and clean.
And then you've also got that as well. Perfect. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Oh no, haven't got time today. Thank you. There you go. So that one hasn't changed. That's actually cheaper than the ones we've just been to. So mark that one, Blackpool. Let's keep going. So we've got Marmaris Beach. Again, this one looks more like a sit-down sort of restaurant. So the bar's usually a little bit more cheaper than the restaurants, but that's because you're obviously having a bit more of an experience. Free pool table, always good. Good at the Marmaris Beach restaurant and bar. So let's have a look. I'll do the reading because my camera doesn't pick it up. So for a grilled chicken, 795 lira. Steak, 1,695 lira. Fish and chips, 945. Let's see if we've got drink prices this side. There we go, chicken burger. The price is actually marked out. And you can do an English breakfast as well. All right, let's keep going. Vamos. Burger and wraps, classic burger, 590 lira. So yeah, it's giving you an idea of sort of like the prices you can expect. And let's have a look at the beers. So for an FS bottle, 220 lira. Classic cocktails, 750 lira. Nice one, nice and shaded. And again, you've got the sort of beach with their own sort of beach chairs. Nice sort of like cushioning, little cabanas there. So yeah, really, really nice. So yeah, at the moment, we're in the main bit of Marmaris. So if you just tuned in, we are walking along the promenade and we are doing a price check. Has it changed much from the last time we were here? And it just gives you a little bit of a heads up on how much you want to bring. I know some people get a little bit annoyed, but some people have loads to spend, some people don't, and this just gives you a nice little idea whether you've got millions or a fiver. It's always good to know that price point. Be in control of your finances and all of that. So we've got this one here. There we go. This one's also a nice one with the pool. And you can see Tuborg on tap. Some of them you only get bottles, so it's nice to see a draft. It's always better to have a draft beer, but the FA's bottles, you also have to look out for the size. So we went to Salt and Pepper. Size bottle was really, really good. There's been a few others where it's been sort of small and you're paying the same price. So also, you know, these are little things to look out for. You might be paying cheaper, but are you getting the same sort of size? So we've got the little Irish pub here. Again, they do English breakfast, Scottish breakfast. Night shows, got Michael Jackson.
Tomorrow then. Tomorrow. We go home tomorrow.
Hello. They're writing up on here. Might have to have a look at a menu. Let's go and check out a menu. So this is the Irish bar. And then let's do the most important. So an FS draft, 230. Like I said, draft is better, but if you want a bottle, 230. It's the same sort of price. Tuborg, 230. Not bad at all. There we go, that's the Irish bar. Then you've got the Red Lion, karaoke, sports and food. Again, all of these do sort of like English breakfast. This one's $4.99. Red Lion. There we go.
English breakfast, just £5.
Not bad at
Cheaper than
all.
the chips.
Yeah, it is. Good fry up. And
It's
nice.
new. We just opened this year.
Ah, okay,
That's
lovely.
second one.
Second one.
Yeah.
Yes, I think we came in September and you just literally opened. Yeah.
We just opened it.
Ah, perfect. It's nice to see you guys nice and busy. So we got all these snacks. See how much it is for. Let's have a look. Chicken casserole, chicken sheesh. So chicken sheesh, 740 lira. That's not bad. And then you got your buy one, get one free on the
Special offer
cocktails.
menu as well, £15.
Ah, okay, so that's a free course.
Any chicken pasta, pizza, barman special cocktail, ice cream pancake, you can choose one.
Lovely.
£15.
And how much is it for an Efes?
For Efes, flash drop Efes, just for £3.
Yeah.
Bowl 200 lira.
Ah, really,
Yeah.
really good.
It's
Thank
very
you.
good. Big class, XX large.
Extra large,
Yeah.
perfect. Thank you very much.
you.
Have a lovely
Bye-bye.
day. Bye-bye. There we go. So that's the Red Line. If anyone wants to check that one out, free course, $14.99. Again, that's sort of the standard price, but it's not bad, is it? You're getting sort of a main starter and a dessert. And they do the XXL by there, which is good. So like I said, do look out for that because sometimes you buy it and it's, you know, like a 330 bottle and it's not really the same. I think the first beer we got when we got here, we just literally went to a bar next to our hotel and it was UK money, £8 for 2 beers. But obviously we just got here, we didn't really want to wander around, we just wanted somewhere to watch the football. But that is quite pricey for here. It's not extortionate, I know people will be like, oh, it's not good for the average. But there are small bottles as well. And when you're on holiday and you know it's cheaper than home, you want to get that sort of, that better deal. Nice big hotel there. Oh, sun's definitely coming out. Like I said, it's a little bit more sort of a cloudier start to the day, but it's definitely brightened up now. So yeah, I'm feeling that heat. But I'm going to bring this one to a close because we've done sort of half the promenade. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next price video.